Hello everyone, and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to easily recharge or renew your Amazon Prime membership right from your computer. So it's a very simple process. So let's jump right in. So first things first, you need to open your favorite web browser on your PC or laptop and then go to Amazon.com. It's very important that you're already logged in to the Amazon account that you want to recharge. If not, take a moment and sign into your own account. Now, once you're on Amazon's homepage and logged in, getting to the Prime section is super easy. Here is how to do it. Look towards the top left corner of the page, and right under the Amazon logo, you will see a button that says All, or you will see this symbol here. Simply click on that. Now a menu should slide out from the left-hand side. Now, near the top of this menu, under Digital Content and Devices, or in some cases, Shop by Department, you should be able to see an option called Amazon Prime or Amazon Prime Video. Simply click on that, and then click on My Stuff. Or you can directly go to the search panel here and search Amazon Prime Membership and hit Enter. And this will also take you to this place. Click on it. And then you can directly recharge your subscription on this panel as well. So after clicking on the link, it'll take you to the official page or the sign-up page. So let's say, for example, you chose this route. So once you're on the official Prime Video page, all you do is click on your account here. All you have to do is simply click on the button here, which will say Join Prime. Click on that. Now, after that, it should redirect you to the subscription page. Here you should be able to see plans depending on your country. So in my country, there are two types of plans, as you can see here. And in one of them, there will only be mobile and TV available. And the other plan is all of it, as you can see here. So if you scroll down, you should also be able to see the monthly and annual prices here. So simply look at the plans, the benefits, and other things that you will get, and then simply choose the best plan for you. And then simply click on Join here.
Now, after you've selected your plan, Amazon will take you straight to the payment page. This should be very familiar if you have ever bought anything from Amazon before. It's just the standard checkout process where you finalize your recharge. So, on the screen, you just need to confirm the payment method, and here is how it works. So first, you should be able to see your debit card or credit card option. And as you can see, my card is already added, and all I have to do is simply enter my CVV, and then I can click on Continue and proceed with my payment. But if you have other types of payment options, you can always add them directly here. If you have a card, click on this option and add your new card. And if you have net banking or any other type of payment methods in your country, you can always add them as well. So simply choose your desired payment option and then scroll down and click on Continue and complete the payment. Now, if you choose your debit card, an OTP might be sent to you on your registered phone number. So simply enter that, and if you choose any other payment option, depending on the verification process, simply complete that and click on Continue, and then you will be done. And once your payment is successfully processed, that's it, you are done. So you'll be redirected to the confirmation page that says Welcome to Prime or something similar. So now your Amazon Prime membership is instantly active, and you can go right back and enjoy all the benefits like free and fast delivery on your orders, watching the best shows on Amazon Prime Video, and listening to ad-free music. So that's it. You now know exactly how to recharge your Amazon Prime membership from your computer. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.